Transformers reviews, tech and the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views. Influences interest on YouTube. What's going on, people? This is Influence. Welcome to another unboxing of the Saramonic Sound Remarkable Ultra Compact 2.4 gigahertz dual channel wireless microphone system with Lavalier mic. Now, if you're wondering why the sound kind of may not sound as good as it normally does, it's because I'm on purpose recording this straight through my phone with no mic, no usual setup of what I had, because I'm going to, at the end of this, hook this all up after the unboxing and give a demonstration of what it sounds like. Now, I'm using the Note 10, so it may be different for different things. Yeah, from the demonstrations that I've seen, it was on the Google Pixel. So, but it can go on anything with a USB-C. So technically, any tablets, anything, if you live stream, or you may need this. So let's get it out the box first, so we can see. Nice little presentation, not bad. Got a little I don't have an unboxing knife for some reason. I don't know why or where it is. But then again, you don't need one when you got the nails. So you pop it open. Got nice little magnets. See the piece that hooks onto your phone. Well, first we got the books. User manual. I'll check that out. See what's happening with that. Links will be in the description for everything here. Got some stickers. Got the book. So let's not flick that, because we may need that. Then you have the main piece, if I can get it out. It's kind of hard behind the camera. So you have the main piece. Oh, this is how small it is. Actually plugs into USB-C phone or anywhere, has an adapter. It's wireless, 2.4 gigahertz, as I said before. And then you have two receivers. Each receiver has a clip on. You have USB-C charging. I'm assuming it's the charging port. I think that runs on your phone. I'm gonna double check, but I think that runs from the power of your actual device. Then you have the pairing and volume up and down, power on. These are microphones, so you can actually clip these on and use them just as microphones. But then they have the jack, the mic jack, where you can clip it on your back, and it turns into like a mic pack. So there's just some branding. Let you know it's the wireless. I don't know why I put this back in here. See if anything's underneath. You get a pouch. Carry everything. Looks like it'll fit. This is a very compact package, so it's nice. Got all your cords in here, which I believe you get a USB-C to regular USB. You get another cord, a USB. Oh, you get two USB-C, so you can charge them both at the same time. That's nice that they give you two, because a lot of times they don't give you two, they give you one, and you just have to use the same one to charge both packs. But that's nice, they give you two, and you have two of the microphones that you clip on. No, you just have these heads, no windscreens, I don't think. I was looking for a windscreen. And that's it. That's what you get in the box. Now I'm going to get everything together and come back and show you the sound, to let you know how it sounds when it's all hooked up. So you can see it's clipped on here, and this is the test for that. But I'm also going to use the Lavalier mic. This may sound a little, but this is one application. You get two of these, so you know, you can have a podcast and they both funnel into the same source, so that you can, wherever you got it plugged in, it'll both funnel into it. There's not a lot of editing with voices. You know how it is when if you record separate tracks, you have a bunch of editing. So this just makes it a lot simpler and easier. So I'm going to plug this in. Hopefully it works this time. And then you can see the difference between, sorry about that. Sure that makes a loud noise, but you can see the difference between the two. And I have it at 3. Well, I don't know how they do it, but if you see that you can put as you push the button, the lights go down or up. So now let's use this. Now the lavalier mic is plugged in. I will plug it into or pin it onto my clothes, and then you can take this. You can put it. It's like a pack now. It's like a. So if you could hear the difference, I'm not sure, but you can hear the difference between the lavalier mic and just the pack. Now the pack is good. I think it's best to have this mic, but you know, the pack is good if you got to sit on a table, you want to interview somebody real quick, and you got 2, so you can clip one on them, clip one on you. The audio is even, and let me walk around for a minute and see what the audio is. Now I'm about, you can't really see, but I'm about 10 feet from the source, and I'm backing up even more. I'm in a dining room now, and let me see how far I can go before I cut out. I'm gonna just keep talking until it cuts out. I'm in the farthest corner, so if it hasn't cut out yet, it's through walls, and I'm in the farthest corner of my house. So coming back now, and yeah, I guess I'll see in post if it cut out. See, that's just this isn't full review. I just wanted to give some insight on that. So yeah, just to recap, I'm actually using this right now to do this little recap. I got the lavalier mic plugged in, of course. Yeah, just to recap, we get 2 of these. Like I said, this ain't the full review, but I will do a full review, saying how I like it. So far, I think it's great. I just checked that video that I just showed, so you know, and I know that it was far. I don't know how far. It was probably more than 30 feet. And it was through walls. So that 2.4 gigahertz comes in handy. It has a bunch of, you can get them with a bunch of, it doesn't have to be just USB-C. Again, you can get it with the lightning port. You can get it with, I think, a few things. So just check all the links out in the description. They are affiliate links, just so you know. But I want to get to the full review soon. I like to use this, and it's going to get a lot of use, so I'm going to use it for a few and let you know some positives and some negatives. I'm sure there's negatives. Everything is not always positive, but I'm hoping there's 0 negatives. Again, you get two of everything. You get 2. You don't get a brick though, but you probably got a brick somewhere. Again, you can charge them. It's just USB to USB-C, so you can charge these. These came charged. That's good. You get 2 lavalier microphones. So that's great if you if you're gonna plug it in to, say, you know, 2 people. If you have if you have a podcast and you're both sitting there and you're recording with one device, depending on what it is, they have one built just for cameras, I believe, just for DSLRs or any cameras, but this can be used for that too, depending. But yeah, so I think this is a great system so far. It's a little expensive, but I think for the convenience, for what it is, you get this great pouch. I think that's worth the money. Nah, I'm just playing. But yeah, it's good that you got a pouch where you can keep everything in there. But yeah, it's a great system, I think. I'm anxious to, or not anxious, but excited to dive into the system. because it's cool with streamline. I'm trying to streamline my videos a little bit more as far as microphones and editing and all of that, because it does take a long time when you have separate tracks and a whole bunch of other stuff and using different cameras. That still may come into play, but if I don't use a different camera, I mean, I just want it to be easy. All right, so I will get up with you guys in another video. No, subscribe. I ask like every other video probably. But yeah, subscribe, share, like, check the links out. Help me out, help the channel out. Try not to ask. I don't like asking like every time, like, please like, subscribe, share. I'm sure, you know, I know that's what you're supposed to do, but I just want people to sub because they want to, you know. More Transformers coming, more tech. Actually have a sound bar coming in a couple weeks, I believe, or a week or so, just in time for the Snyder Cut. So I'm looking forward to that. I will be doing an unboxing of that. This review will be coming, and more Transformers reviews are coming. All right, thanks for watching. Appreciate your time.
Life ain't over, life ain't over, life ain't over. As long as you alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want.